Hey, it's Max Carter.
And Nick Bernacci at Sirius Software.
And today we're going to show you the shipping tab.
We're going to show you a scenario of shipping to one location at one time.
All in control.
In this video, we will go over the shipping tab. We'll show you an example of shipping to one location on one date.
The shipping tab is a tool in control which you can use to store information about shipping. Let's start by navigating to an order. If you go up to the Explorer, click down, and click Explore Orders. For this scenario, Bob's Sporting Goods order of 10 digital prints needs to be shipped. So let's click on the second order, the one for Bob's Sporting Goods.
All of the information about the order is stored on this page. You will notice that Bob's Sporting Goods has ordered 10 digital prints. Now let's open up the shipping tab. We will move up to the tabs here, slide over the shipping, click it. Now before we start plugging information in here, we have to edit this. So we move up again to the edit button at the right, click it, and now we'll open up the information.
Now that we are in edit mode, let's take a look at these checkboxes to the top left. Now all 10 of our digital prints are going to the same spot, so we're going to fill in the middle one, ship everything in one shipment. Now if you'll notice at the bottom of the screen this arrow has appeared. If you click on it, all the details about the shipment are right here. There's the address, and there's also a date that you can fill in. Let's put a date. Let's say it has to be shipped on the 29th. Double click it, and there you go.
After we have set the date for the shipment, notice that it says now up here, shipped 7/29/2011. Now you might want to put this in your activity manager to ship this order on that date. Now let's move to this box, carrier. Click the drop down, we'll select FedEx. Service, let's say 2-day.
Next is cost. There's estimated and actual. Estimated, you would fill in an estimate of how much it might cost to ship this item. Actual, once you got the actual number, you would fill it in. Or if you have the shipping module, it would fill itself in if you're shipping with FedEx or UPS.
Next are number of boxes, weight, and size. But if you have the shipping modules, don't bother filling it in, because you won't find out this information until you ship the actual order. You can also plug in the insured value.
Another very handy thing about the shipping tool is the tracking number. You can put it in right here and give it to the customer, or if you have a shipping module, it will fill itself in. Another handy tool in the shipping tab is the clone button. You'll see it right here. It allows you to clone this order, everything except for the address. So if you're shipping to multiple locations, you can simply fill in your information, clone it, and then fill in your addresses to save time. But since we're shipping to one location on one date, we won't worry about that right now.
Now notice at the bottom, on this list it says quantity ordered, 10. Those are our 10 digital prints. The next is quantity in this shipment. We are shipping all 10. And then quantity left, 0. Because we're shipping all our digital prints at one time.
Now that all the information for the shipping of this order is filled out, let's save it. Go to the top right and click the Save button. Reason for order edit, shipping. Now that you've saved this info, you may want to remember to put a date in your activity manager to ship this, just so you don't forget.
Let's take a quick look at that activity manager. We'll go down to the bottom right, under activities, click the drop down. Now you can't see the list, it's off the screen. But you're going to go down to new call. Click it and open it up. Now we're going to start filling in the information. Contact type, this is a to-do. Reminder, we'll just do schedule time. Description, this is ship item. Then we'll press OK. And that will immediately be saved into your activity manager, so you know when to ship the item. And you will get a pop-up reminder that day to ship that item. Also, after you save it, you can open up a packing slip for the shipment. We can move up to print, click it. Let's just preview it real quick. Preview. And here's that packing slip that you can print out. Alright, there's one more feature to show you on the shipping tab. Exit out of this. We'll scroll up to the top of the shipping tab page. You'll notice this button that says lock shipping. You can lock the shipping so no one can make changes, just in case someone accidentally changes it. It's a handy feature for managers, so people can't change things in their shipments. Well, that concludes our video of using the shipping tab and shipping to one location at one time.
Make sure you check out the other videos. There are plenty of other scenarios.
Max and Nick,
helping you get in control.